back. Janun, Shari ayo. Today's video is about a Korean makeup look that I'd like to share. This one is a very simple look. As you can see, very simple lang po talaga. And this comes along with a giveaway. It's a matte gel lipstick from Mary Kay in the shade Poppy Red. So it's kind of red, but I think you can use that in achieving a gradient look. So you just need another lighter shade of the lipstick and then you can achieve the gradient look. Para malaman kung paano nyo makukuha yung ating giveaway, please stay until the end of the video. I am starting with a moisturizer. So sabi ko before sa video ko, I don't like to put on moisturizer, but I realized na I have dry skin. Kaya, ito. Okay, so let's proceed with the foundation. So, I've watched a Korean video and I've noticed that they are mixing moisturizer and foundation to achieve that glossy effect. Kasi diba yung mga Korean napapansin nyo, medyo glossy yung kanilang face and sobrang white. And we will try to achieve that. So I'm mixing in here. And then tap that on my face. And now I am blending it with a beauty blender. Done with the foundation, I am now proceeding to my brows. So Koreans usually have that straight and natural brows. So I will achieve that. I will try to achieve that. For my brows, I am using the brow pencil from Mary Kay. One thing I love about this brow pencil is that it's not too waxy, so it's very much easy to apply and very much easy to blend. So your brows will look natural. Ginagawa ko, ganito lang. Straight brows. So just do the soft strokes in doing your brows so that it will be easier for you to do that form and also to blend it after. I will really just try kung ma-achieve ko. So far yun naman yung ginagawa ko minsan. And then I will just blend that later. It just appears very dark in the video, but in person it's just a light brown. Because my brow pencil is in the shade brunette, so it's not really black. So I will just blend this in and to achieve that Korean brows. So there you go. I'm already done with my brows. I will now proceed to the eyeliner. So what they usually do is they are using brown eyeliners. They only have a dark brown here, so I'll just take a use of it. Ginagawa po nila, ilalagay po nila sa waterline. So we'll just try to achieve that. So I am using Mary Kay eyeliner. What they're doing is they're holding this part of their eyelid and then flip that like this. But do not stretch your eyelids because it will cause wrinkles. So very, very light lang. So ganito siya. Hindi ko masyadong makita. Pwede rin naman ganito. So let's just extend it a little bit to make your eyes look bigger. I just finished this because I cannot do it with one hand holding the mirror, so it's very hard. Done with my eyeliner. So hard. It's just look natural. So as you can notice po, pababa po siya like that. So I'll just also draw a little bit of the eyeliner on the lower waterline. Pero half lang siya. And then outside na part. Very light. And then on the other side. So that your eyes will look bigger, even if my eyes looks bigger. As you can notice, guys, I didn't set my foundation because I really love that foundation from Mary Kay because it just feels natural. It's not tacky at all. So now I will proceed with the mascara. For the lashes, I am just curling my lashes from the root hanggang sa dulo ng lashes. So, ganito lang. 1, 2, 3. Kita niyo ba? So, next would be the mascara. Just a little bit. Just be careful and apply it slowly. Kalimutan, hindi pala ako naglagay ng eyeshadow. So, for Koreans, they only like the natural eyeshadows. They don't really have that dark eyeshadows. They don't really use that. Most of the time. So, for this look, ito po yung aking ginamit. And I also applied some on this part of my eye and on the lower waterline here on this part. So, as you can see, it's parang glittery effect siya. So, I'll proceed with the blush on. Koreans like to apply pink blush on, so I'll achieve the drunk blush. So for the nose contour, I'm using a lighter shade of the brow powder and brush it off in the side of my nose and bring it up onto the upper part of my eyelids to create that very natural look. And they also like to contour this part to make their lips pop. So I'm already done applying my blush on. It's just not so visible dara sa video. So ito yung part na nilagyan ko ng blush on. And now I am proceeding with the lips. For the lips, I will be using two different shades. This is a Love Me Pink shade from Mary Kay, and this one is the Scarlet shade also. So I'll be achieving the gradient look na lips na usong-uso po sa mga Korean. So I hope I can achieve. So I don't have anything in my lips as of the moment, so I'll just take it first. I'll be applying first the Love Me Pink shade. What I love about their lipstick is that it's not so tacky. It just feels very nice sa lips. So I'll just apply the Scarlet Red on the inner part of my lips to create that gradient look. To blend your lipstick, you can blend this with your finger. I am now done with my Korean makeup look. So, ayan na siya. So, what I love about this look is sabi nila it will make you look younger. So, ayan. So, I hope na may natutunan po kayo. And that's all. So to get that puppy red lipstick from Mary Kay, all you have to do is to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment of your Facebook page and on your Instagram or your email, and then share the video. And then I will pick the winner, and then I'll be announcing that after a week. So thank you very much. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. 합니다.